Welcome to one of the most luxurious bungalows in all of Bearspaw.
And at almost 6,000 square feet of living space, every detail has been tastefully selected to give you that luxury feel.
Now let's go check it out.
Hey, reckless tour, but I got expensive habits. Don't step in soul. I'm a real one, check my fabric. Hey, I said reckless tour, but I got expensive habits. Don't step in soul. I'm a real one, check my fabric. Look at my fabric, out of this atlas, I point way up. I got a passion mixed with action, boy, don't play. Look at my fabric, out of this atlas, I point way up. I got a passion mixed with action, boy, don't play. Look at my fabric, mixed with action. Out of this atlas, I got a passion, yeah, players. I got a passion, full static, ready on go. Don't let it unfold. Beast mode, if you're ready, let's roll. Feeling like this, you never get in my zone. That's me, man, I'm still on my own. Man, we ain't one of the same, one of the ways I do this all of my life.